Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for today, I want to talk to you about footwear care. But first, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, now's a good time to do it. Just click the little red button right there, and when it turns gray, a little bell pop up next to it. Click on the bell so you get notified each time I post a new video. All right, footwear care. So your footwear, whether it be work boots, tennis shoes, whatever, takes care of your feet. Now, unfortunately, with a lot of footwear, such as sandals and tennis shoes and stuff, there's really not much you can do to the material to make it last longer. However, with good work boots, with leather work boots, you can make those last a long time. An example is I have a pair of Red Wing boots that are at least 30 years old. So there's a lot of things you do to make them last longer. Now, a lot of times the problem with your boots and stuff is you forget to polish them and stuff, and then the water gets to them and they start getting water damage, and the leather just starts, taking a beating on it. But there are a lot of products out there to help prevent that. Now, some of them, starts off with, saddle soap. Saddle soap helps you get the leather clean again, all ready to be taken care of. You can add on your different types of boot polish or shoe polish you can put on them. Then there is mink oil you can put on there. There is neat's foot oil. There's a lot of different things you can put on there. One of the oldest and most trusted is something called Hubbard's Shoe Grease. It's not just grease. It's a blend of different oils and stuff to really treat and protect your shoes and work boots. So whatever you want to use it. All right. And as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. And most important of all, keep on adding to your preps, water, food, and other supplies you need, because you don't want to end up like this.